So our company, Bay Valley Mortgage Group, doing business as Pacific Bay Lending Group and Valley View Home Loans, was formed in 1992.
Chose Garden Grove to make your home in, and we're really excited, and it's real exciting for the community. It's very exciting for the city, and again, thank you for making Garden Grove your home. And I'd like to present you with a certificate of recognition from the city of Garden Grove. Thank you.
We're excited for this next chapter in our company's history, and we hope that the spirit of the Pac Bay family grows deeper and deeper with each year.